Hello. How are you? Well, I'm recording this software training only for you that so that you can understand. Well, you first of all you will have to connect your WhatsApp. Okay. How you will connect the WhatsApp? I will tell you. First, we will have to upload the. If you have a phone number, okay, we will go from here. Click on this button. You have a groups you already joined. Then you have a group. Grab group members. Okay. We will connect the WhatsApp here. Okay. We'll show QR code. Okay. After connecting the WhatsApp with the QR code, okay, I will uh, uh, check the group I have already joined. You understand? I hope you are understanding that will extract the phone number from the groups in joined you already joined. Understand? You already have in your mobile. I mean, okay. uh, After that, start grabbing. Click start grabbing. When you click start grabbing, it will detect all the group in your WhatsApp. Okay, already. Okay. For example, I have this WhatsApp group job update 2023. I want to extract the phone number from this group. Okay, I will select it and then click on select, and it will extract the phone number from that group. Okay. uh, we will wait for a while. It extracting the phone number from that group. Now I want to save it. I am saving it uh, with the name that job update 2023 group phone number. Understand? Whatever you want to name it. Okay. Now it's successfully downloaded. After that, I close it and I will come back here. Now I want to do a WhatsApp marketing. I want to upload the file, upload Excel file. It was that group job update. Understand? Open it. It will come here, and then you tap your message. How you will tap the message? Uh, First of all, you go click on this button, plus button, key button. You can check it. Key button, check it. Add key marker. Okay. Click on add. It will add in message. Why we are adding this? Uh, it will rotate the message. Hi to one number, hello to second number, greetings to third number. It's randomly change. Okay. You must have to use this type of formula in your message, because uh, same message will go to the all person. Its count is spamming according to the WhatsApp. Okay. So we will have to send messages with variations and with changing the word sentences. Okay. I hope you understand the things. Okay. After that, I will tap my message. Okay. After tapping the message, enter and give some space, and then again go there, this one, and click on the random number. Okay, you will ask, you will understand, or you will confuse that why we are putting this random number. So do not ask any question, this is necessary in the message. Understand? So because you are not on any desk, so I cannot explain in detail in the video. Okay, just imagine this is necessary and this is necessary. This is necessary and this is necessary to put in the formula in the message. Okay, it will rotate the message, and this will also rotate the message. Okay, after tapping the message, you want to attach image. So I want to attach the image also. Okay, I will put the image, for example this one, and after that, this is the main important thing you remember, that uh, this is the time delay setting. Okay, so this setting is wait 10 second, 10 to 20 second after every 10 message. This is okay. Okay, but this is important that uh, you remember this setting is 50 to 125 second. Okay, then 50 to 125 second. Okay, just follow all the instruction. Okay, and after that, click on start campaign. If you want to name any campaign, so you can put the name, but I am putting here one campaign number one, and it will start. After that, your WhatsApp is connected, it's automatically uh, connected, initiated. This show the initiated, and after that we will start.